Hi everyone, welcome to the Kiernan Recreation Center, home of the Purple Eagles. The new added space was 18,000 square feet, two-story addition, so 9,000 per floor. The weight room is almost tripled in size. On top of that, we added about $130,000 worth of new equipment, including a rig, a turf strip, all new selectorized equipment, dumbbells. The students, I think it's a much more functional space. And this space just makes it easier to use, move about, they're not on top of each other. On top of that, just the new equipment. It's all up-to-date, state-of-the-art. You can use a QR code on every piece to tell you how to use it even. We added 2 brand new state-of-the-art dance studios, a spinning room, and we also have a racquetball court. We house a number of theater classes that are academically based, ROTC classes also academically based, and then we do a whole slate of group exercise classes. We have classes like Zumba, Pilates, spinning, yoga, sports Zumba. For the D1 teams, they have 5 brand new locker rooms, one for each of the 5 teams that plays over here. When the athletes come here, it's a brand new space for them to see. They can meet with the coaches, where prior to that, they had tiny little almost cubicle offices in the building. Sports medicine really does have state-of-the-art brand new equipment. One of the biggest new additions was the hydrotherapy tubs that they got, where they can do hot and cold. We didn't have anything like that previously. Also, new office spaces, a doctor's office for when the doctor comes in to treat the athletes. We will be inviting a lot of community groups in. The biggest one, Special Olympics of Western New York, is a regular user. Western New York Girls in Sports, and then through our summer camp every summer, which is 8 weeks, the kids are going to have a much more usable space than we had previously. Community can purchase a membership to here. Alumni get a discounted rate, and then community a separate rate, and they get full access to the building, including group exercise classes, use of the pool, all of our fitness spaces they can utilize just like our students do. We encourage all alumni from Niagara University, please stop in, check out the new facility and all the new improvements.